Hi friends, everything I'm going to share today comes straight from the experience of technicians who work at this highly respected appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to find the solution. When a higher dishwasher shows the notorious F30 code, what's happening is something we see all the time in the shop. The machine doesn't sense water coming in like it should. It's as if the dishwasher is saying, "Hey, I want water," but nobody's showing up. And this isn't unusual. Many clients have come in with the same message on their screen, confused and frustrated. Talking with one client just yesterday, they said, "I had the faucet fully open, but my higher kept clicking and showing F30, as if no water was coming in." Based on their description, it was obvious that something wasn't right with the water flow. But why does this happen? It turns out that, very often, the cause is something as simple as low water pressure. In the shop, we hear this all the time. I switched to another tap and bam, the water came in and F30 disappeared. It's easy to forget that if the pressure is too low, the machine thinks there's no water, and that's when the error pops up. It's like trying to drink through a bent straw. There's flow, but barely any. That's why we always check the shutoff valve and the hose to make sure the water is really reaching the dishwasher without any trouble. Next, when we dig a little deeper, we often find that the water inlet filters are clogged with debris. One technician told me, "You wouldn't believe how many times someone comes in, and just by cleaning those hidden filters, the dishwasher comes back to life." Many clients have said the same. I cleaned the filters and the error disappeared. Sometimes the solution is right where you least expect it, right? Now, if you've already checked pressure and filters but the error persists, the problem is likely the water inlet valve. Think of this as the little door that opens to let water into the machine. In the shop, technicians often say, the valve can wear out over time, and when that happens, it won't let water through even if there's enough pressure. One client mentioned, after replacing the valve, the error never came back. Makes sense. If the door doesn't open, no water enters, and the machine shouts F30. It's also worth noting that sometimes the problem could be in sensors or the electronics that detect water flow. If you've checked pressure, filters, and the valve and the error is still there, the safest move, as many technicians recommend, is to go to an authorized service center. Not because it's complicated, but because some internal parts need specialized diagnosis and tools that aren't always at hand.